Hi everybody. For today's video, we are going to discuss the characteristics of an absolute value function. The objectives for this video are to learn about the vertex, zeros and y-intercepts, domain and range, relative extrema, increasing and decreasing intervals, and end behavior.
The vertex is the highest or lowest point in a graph.
So for this next section, we'll be talking about zeros and y-intercepts. The zeros are the x-intercepts of a graph. So, for example, on a line, you can see that the zeros are -3 and 7. And then the y-intercept is the point in the graph where the line crosses the y-axis. So on this example, the y-intercept is 0 and -3.
The domain is the input, which is x, and the range is the output, which is y.
The relative extrema is the highest or lowest point on a curve. Let's say that there's an n sort of figure. The highest relative extrema is here. This is because this is the highest point that the curve goes. And the lowest relative extrema on the curve is here. This is because relative to the curve, it is the lowest point on the line that you can get to.
Decreasing and increasing intervals. Increasing intervals are the parts of a graph where the x value increases as the y value increases. Decreasing intervals are the parts of a graph where the x value decreases as the y value increases.
Alright, and those are the characteristics of an absolute value function. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and remember, life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. See you in our next video!